As you see in the title below, today I will show you how to get a free virtual WhatsApp number. This is 100% free and legit, guys. All you need to do is ensure that you click the like button and go ahead and subscribe, as this helps with the algorithm. Ensure that you watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. The app that you will need to download is TextNow. The link will be in the description. After you have completed the download, go ahead and sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or Facebook account. Once you have completed the sign up, go ahead and choose a free US number. You first need to choose a area code. I will have a list of area codes in the description below that is available to use on WhatsApp. Once you have chosen the area code on your screen right there, go ahead and select a free number. Once you choose your free number, go to the right of your screen, copy the number and paste it into WhatsApp. Once you copy and paste the number to WhatsApp, you should see if that number is valid for WhatsApp or not. Don't worry, if the number is not valid, I will show you how to get a valid number using the same method. If your first try does not work like this that you're seeing on the screen now, go to TextNow, go to the top right corner of your screen, to the menu, go to settings. You will see your profile bar there that it is 10% complete. Go ahead and fill in the necessary information such as your name. Once you have completed all the profile information, scroll down to account and get a new number. Are you sure you want a new number? Click yes and confirm it. Once you have confirmed that, try using a different area code. Area codes will be listed in the description below. You can choose one of those codes as they are more likely to work on WhatsApp. Once you have chosen the area code, go ahead and choose a free number. Once you chose your free number, go to the top left corner of your screen, copy and paste the number and go ahead and paste it into WhatsApp. Once the number is valid, you should get a text code. If you don't receive the text code, go ahead and choose call me instead. Once you click call me instead, you should receive a call. Answer the call and listen for your 6-digit code. Once you get that 6-digit code, you can enter it in WhatsApp and you should be good. If this video was able to help you in any way, go ahead and click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.